Hi, I'm fatbaba. Today I want to show you how to make the chicken katsu. It's easy to make and really crispy. Let us begin. Hi, today I want to show you how to make the chicken katsu, and then you need the chicken thigh, and then the cabbage, and then the butter coin. If you didn't see my last video, it's on the right top. You can check about it, how to make it, and then you need the egg, cherry, tomato, and chicken, all-purpose flour, and then the Panko, and there are the breadcrumbs, and that's all you need. And then you need to have the oil ready, and then first we need to put a little bit salt in the chicken. You don't need a lot because the chicken is not the main. You get the flavor. The flavor it will be on the Tonkatsu Sauce, and the chicken, if you put too much salt, it will be too salty. When you cook it, it will not be good because you put that in the flour and then the egg, then on the panko. So if you have too much season on there, like the first one will be fine, the last one will be a lot of the seasoning inside the sauce, and then that one will be much salty. So now you need 3 plates. So first you put the all-purpose flour, and then the panko, and then the middle one will be the egg. How it works is that you put the chicken all cover with the flour first, then egg, then the panko, and then the egg, you mix them up. I will say you put like 2 cups of the flour and then 4 to 5 eggs, and then some of the panko is fine. If not enough, you can add more. Because you put too much, and then later on you don't need it, and all of them already like touch with the ware meat, so you need to throw all of them away. So I will say you don't need all of them all at once. The flour I put a little bit more is because it's easy to cover. If you don't want, you can put 1 cup of the all-purpose flour first, it will be fine. But since like the chicken, they have a little bit wet, if like too less, like soon the 4th or the 5th piece of the chicken, it will be too much. Like you want a thin layer of the flour. So if you have extra, we will remove it. And then now we put in to the egg, and then the last one we'll put in the panko. After that, see, I have a tray with the paper towel on top, and the reason is that you need to let it sit for about 20 seconds, and then to let all the flours, egg, everything to stick on the chicken. If otherwise, if you done and then put it in the oil right away, and then those might peel out, and then the chicken will not look nice, and then not that crispy. You want the outside, all those to make the chicken crispy. And since I use the chicken thigh, I don't have the skin. If you want to use the one with the skin on, it's fine, but I try few times and I like the one without the skin. The reason is that the skin, if they fall apart, and then like it will like make it the middle part no flour or the panko doughs, and then it won't be that crispy and it will be overcooked. So I will recommend not use the skin. If you ask me, can you use the chicken breast? You can, but you need to look at the chicken all the time to make sure it won't overcook. Otherwise, white meat will be hard to control to be cooked exactly perfect. So I will recommend use the chicken thigh at the beginning. After you try 2-3 times, and then you know how long it takes and then all the steps, then you can change to white meat. But beginning, I will recommend use the chicken thigh to try it. So first we will use the medium-low fire to boil the oil. We don't want to be high fire on the oil at the beginning. Otherwise, the chicken will be really easy to turn dark, but inside is not cooked well. So you cook about 3 minutes on each side, and then you flip over, and then for 3 to 4 minutes, then you flip back again for 20 to 30 seconds. That way it will make sure all of them is well cooked, and the color, it will look much nicer, golden brown color on both sides. Yeah, and then after you done, you use the tray, have the paper towel on, put them on there, and then until you finish all of the chicken, then you turn the oil to high fire. Make sure the oil is really hot, and put all the chicken in all at once is fine. The way you do is the second time you use the really hot oil is to make the oil inside those chicken to come out, because you spend 6-7 minutes put the chicken inside the oil, it will have oily. But if you do this step, the chicken will be crispy but not feel oil. And now we prepare some side dish. The cabbage, we just cut it on slice and then put on the side for dish, and then for the rest you will see on the video how to I put on those side dish. And also remember, when you cook you deep fry the second time, when you take out all those chicken, do not turn off the fire, otherwise the oil will go back in. It will make it more oily. So until you take out all the chicken, do not turn off the fire. This is really important step. Now I just put some side to make the dish look nice, and you can for picture or for what, but the taste will be good, the butter sweet corn. It will be really good for the side on this dish. Now we will cut the crispy chicken katsu, and then after that you can put in the sauce on the chicken katsu. And then for the those salad, you can put in the mayonnaise on top to make it taste better, because I didn't cook on those is a salad. And for myself, I will just use the Tonkatsu sauce. I think it will be much, but some people think may be too much, so they will put mayonnaise is fine. Now you will I cut some lemon, and then you try put some lemon juice on top of the chicken katsu. It will taste good too. And the way you see, I cut the middle, the root part, that way it will be more easy to make the lemon juice come out. This one is the one I use, the Tonkatsu sauce. You can find in most of the grocery store, or the Chinese grocery store, or Japanese one. And I think now a lot of the Safeway, those grocery store, they carry it too. And the mayonnaise, this one I buy from Costco, just the regular Japanese mayonnaise, and you can use the regular one, is fine. That's it. If I can do it, you can do it. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and click the bell so I have new video, you won't miss it. I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.